Pancake stretch, seated, unilateral block crush. If you're aiming to achieve a chest to floor pancake, the seated unilateral block crush is an excellent intermediate flexibility drill to incorporate into your training. A certain degree of pancake flexibility is beneficial for this exercise to be effective. You're going to need a yoga block or an ab mat to crush, and then an optional elevation. This could be a yoga block or a gym mat to sit on to help facilitate the anterior pelvic tilt, our APT. Here's how to perform the seated unilateral block crush. Sit on the floor with your legs in a straddle, approximately 110 degrees apart. Contract your quadriceps and point your toes. Consider sitting on a slight elevation, the yoga block or mat, to assist tilting your pelvis forward into an anterior pelvic tilt. Lean your torso slightly forward rather than sitting perfectly upright. Use your hands to position your hips effectively. Place a yoga block between your torso and the upper thigh of your right leg. From here, actively fold your torso forward, similar to performing a pancake stretch, aiming to crush the block firmly between your torso and thigh. Push your tailbone backward while simultaneously contracting your deep hip flexor muscles and actively pulling your torso towards your thigh. Maintain a strong quad contraction as you hold the active block crush for approximately 5 to 20 seconds per repetition. Then relax briefly between repetitions. After completing the prescribed repetitions on the first side, switch and repeat the process on the opposite leg. Remove the yoga block and perform one final repetition by leaning forward into your deepest pancake position. Reach your arms forward, actively pull your torso downwards as if you're still crushing the block. Hold this position for the recommended time. For most pancake flexibility seekers, aiming for 3 to 4 sets of 3 to 4 reps on each side with a 10-second hold in each rep, followed by a 10 to 15-second hold without the block, is a good starting place. Give this a try and see how it feels. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.